Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can create a scheduled meeting on Zoom meeting application. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, we can open our Zoom meeting application on our phone. And after we have our Zoom meeting application opened, we can go to the schedule section. And here you can create a scheduled meeting. You can name your meeting right here. And for example, I'm going to name it course. Course like this. Then here you can set the date when you want to hold your meeting. And for me, I'm just going to select today, and you can set the time as well. You just need to click on this time option, and here, for example, I'm going to set from 9 a.m. until 9:30 a.m. Okay, then just click on set. And here you can also change the passcode of your meeting. You just need to click on this icon, this option, and then I'm going to set my passcode like this. Okay, then you can also enable waiting room for your meeting. You just need to click on this toggle button to enable waiting room, and this is for the meeting options. You can activate the host video on and participant video on, but I'm just going to skip this step. And then after we're done setting our meeting, we just need to click on done and click on save. Okay, and just wait for a moment. Okay, and now the meeting has been scheduled. And if you are not satisfied with this one, you can edit your meeting. If there's something that you want to edit, you can click on this edit button. And then you can click on invite right here to get the invite link. Just need to click on copy to clipboard, and then you will be able to share the link to your friends that you want to invite to your meeting. And I guess that's how we can create a scheduled meeting on the Zoom meeting application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.